In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIFS function in Google Sheets with a date range and multiple criteria. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone looking to make the most out of their data analysis. Whether you're managing a budget, analyzing sales data, or tracking any series of information with dates and specific criteria, knowing how to wield this tool can save you significant time and effort. To get started, first, open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, just go to your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet. We'll assume your data is set up with dates in column A, criteria in column E, and the values you want to sum in column C. This is a common format, but feel free to adjust it to fit your specific dataset as we go along. Next, click on cell F2. This is where we'll input our formula. Be careful to select the right cell, as this will ensure the rest of the process runs smoothly and your data is calculated properly. With your cursor blinking in cell F2, you'll need to enter the formula. Type in the following: equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, array formula, open another parenthesis, text, and then open a new parenthesis with a $sign, followed by a $A and comma, open quotation marks, MMM-YYYY, close the quotation marks, and close the set of two parentheses. After that, you'll want to continue by typing comma, E2, and then C:C. Remember to follow this pattern exactly to prevent any errors. Once the formula is correctly input, press the Enter key. This command will activate the formula, and the magic of SUMIF with summed data based on the date range and multiple criteria should appear in your selected cell. If there are any issues, double-check your formula for any typos or misplaced characters. Lastly, take advantage of the autofill feature to apply the formula to additional cells in the column. Simply click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula down through the cells you want the formula applied to. This tool is excellent for reducing repetitive data entry, especially if you have several rows to calculate. There you go. You've now successfully utilized the SUMIFS formula with a date range and multiple criteria in Google Sheets. This function is powerful for summarizing and analyzing large sets of data. With practice, you'll become even more efficient and able to tackle more complex spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets to supercharge your productivity.